Hello everyone and welcome back. Like me, you have probably experienced some difficulties with your car. Like in this case, the parking brake light stays on even though the parking brake is off. Now allow me to quickly demonstrate that. Let's start the car. So, as you can see, the parking brake currently is on and the light is on. Now let's turn it off. And the light is still on. And so it is basically telling you that something is wrong. And so today I will show you how you can fix that, and believe it or not, it will only cost you a couple of minutes of your precious time. Matter of fact, this technique can help you fix, well, basically every problem that appears on your instrument cluster. So in this case, the problem is that the computer is telling you that something is wrong with the braking system. But very few people know that it's actually the computer acting up. It thinks, and sometimes might even show symptoms of something that is wrong. But all you need to do is basically tell the car that everything is alright. Now, some people might cover the light up with black tape or use a black marker, but that looks silly, unprofessional, and doesn't really fix the problem. To solve this, we will need to remove the instrument cluster. To do that on this car, we will need to start over here. Let's remove this little cover. And there is the first screw. Remove that. And the next one is behind the light switch. To remove that, we will need to remove this cover and then open a clip. So that's that. And the clip you would be looking for is right up here. So let's push on it and pull this out. There we go. And the screw that you need to open is right that one. And now that that is gone, you will need to remove this cover. And to do that, there are two clips. One up here and one up here. Like so. Now you should probably lower the steering wheel and remove it, like so. And then there are two more screws. One over here and one over there. Now that both of those screws are out, you can go ahead and remove the instrument cluster. Now this can be a little bit tricky because you will have to move it back and forth to get it out, but please do be patient. Okay, let's do it. No, that wasn't so bad, now was it? Now there is a cable that you will need to remove to get the cluster out, and it's very simple. Like so. And here we have the cluster. Okay, now how to fix the problem. Now, when you look at the back side, here you can see a couple of bulbs. Now look for the one that is for the parking brake. That's on that side, so that will be this one. And simply remove it. And to do that, you will just need to give it a bit of a twist counterclockwise and just pull it out like so. Now, if the theory is correct and when I put this back in, the problem should be gone. Let's find out. Now, first, let's connect this cable like so, and somehow put it back in. Just like so. Alright, now let's start the car up. There we go. The problem is gone. Now, this way you are basically telling the computer that no, nothing is wrong. Continue working like you should. Now, in some cases, it could still be that your car is still showing symptoms of something being wrong even after you do this. But fear not, those symptoms should appear after a month of driving, or in very rare cases, after a year of driving. But don't worry, they will disappear. And that is because probably you will have to junk the car, because probably it won't last that long. Happy April Fool's Day. And now, of course, nothing stated in this video actually works. Well, aside from the guide on how to remove the instrument cluster on a Mark III Golf. You can't fix a problem in your car by covering up the light with a black tape or a black marker, or by even removing the lights. It's so silly that people sometimes do that to ignore a problem with their car. If there is a problem and you want to keep using your car, well, just fix it. Or else it might shorten the lifespan of your car, or even worse, endanger yourself or your surroundings. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay safe, keep your car well maintained, and see you next time. Bye bye.